Given you 5 sentences in which there are mistakes. Find out the mistake. The first one is the game continued despite of the rain. Yes? Of is not used with despite. But the meaning is in spite of. The meaning may be in spite of. But we don't use of with despite. The next one, the gold is a precious metal. Only gold. That means no the. What's the reason? Give me the reason. With. Yes, he is right. Gold is general, so don't use the here. The gold is wrong. In particular situations, we use the, not in general situations. Gold is a precious metal. Next, one should keep his word. No. One should be followed by ones, not his. If we use he as the subject, his is correct. But we have used the subject is one, so we use the possessive case. One's word. Next, the hen has laid 6 eggs. Laid. The V3 form is laid, not lain. The last one, they discussed about it. No, discuss does not take the preposition about. They discussed it. Any doubt? No.